What's going on, my ASVAB party people? Happy Wednesday. Coach Anderson here. So if you're watching this video during the week, during Thanksgiving week, hopefully you're having a great week so far and you're relaxing. I'm here to take this headache of a problem and make it easier for you. And don't forget, our Black Friday sale is live. So if you're looking to raise your score, get the job you deserve without any of the stress, go ahead. Go onto the website and use the code BF24 on our ASVAB program. That way you can save up to 67% off of our full program. Again, this week only, and it ends soon. So let's go ahead and get things going here with this question, where it's a classic ASVAB question that can really give us some headaches, but there's a very straightforward way to get it done. You just have to know the main idea and you're good. So first things first, obviously it's a ton of information, but we start with the question sentence. So right over here, how many seconds will it take for Maria to catch up to Liam? So right there, how many seconds for Maria to catch up to Liam? That's all we really care about, the context. It's not always going to reveal what math we actually have to do yet, but it will tell us again what the conclusion of this story needs to be. Getting the time it'll take up for Maria, for Maria to catch up to Liam. So let's get the information now, because we're looking for a time instance here. We're looking for some information about time, but what does the actual story tell us? During a charity event, two cyclists, Maria and Liam, are riding along a straight rural road. Okay, cool. So they're riding along a rural road. Maria starts at the town square, while Liam begins 360 feet ahead of her. When the starting signal's given, Maria pedals at this speed, Liam at this speed, but here's the key: in the same direction. So what we know is, let's say this is the road that they're on. Let's say we have Maria over here, and then we have Liam somewhere over here, and that's going to be 360 feet. Now, what we know is that Maria and Liam are both traveling in the same direction. So Maria's going this way, and Liam is going that way as well. So what do we know about all this? What are we supposed to do with all this information? Well, this is a distance, rate, and time question. Because we have time is what we're looking for, we have a distance given to us, but we have two rates given to us. This is what can be a little confusing about this. But don't worry, because they're going in the same direction over here, we have Maria going 15 feet per second, Liam going 13 feet per second. What do we do when they're traveling in the same direction? We're going to subtract, because think about it like this. Every second, Maria goes 15 feet, Liam goes 13 feet. So what happens in 1 second? Well, that's a difference of 2 feet, right? 15 and 13 in the same direction, that's a difference of 2. And Maria's slowly catching up by 2 feet every second. And I did that again by subtracting these rates, because they're going in the same direction. If they were both going 13 feet per second, every second they'd still be 360 feet apart. But because Maria's going a little faster, that distance over here is closing ever so slightly every second. So what we're supposed to do here, my party people, again, is subtract the rates. And there we go. We'll have that distance, rate, time that we need. Because the starting distance is 360 feet. Nice and easy right there. The time that we're looking for is, well, one of these answers. And then the rate we want to know in feet per second, that's going to be found by subtracting these two rates over here. 15 minus 13, that's going to be 2 feet per second. So what we have going on here, again, this is the catch-up rate. This is the distance at which we're trying to catch up, and then the time to catch up. So we have ourselves a pretty consistent setup that once we do set up, 360 distance equals rate times time. All we have to do, my party people, is divide both sides by 2, and we're done. Time equals 180 seconds, and we're good. Just like that. So I hope you enjoyed this, my party people. And as always, don't forget our Black Friday sale is live. So if you're looking for tens of thousands of practice questions, live classes, recorded classes in case you have scheduling conflicts, practice tests, and progress reports, then don't hesitate. Click the link in the description of this video or the bio using the code BF Black Friday, so BF24, and you will save up to 67% off of our full program. So I love y'all, my party people. I'll see y'all in the next video. Keep raising those scores, and I'll see you then. Cheers.